Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase a gauge. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series mechanical air pressure gauge. It's available in a black face with a clear lens, a black face with a tinted lens, and a white face with a clear lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm analog gauge with a color change button on the front, 1 foot of power wires on the back, and a 1/8 NPT pressure fitting. Also inside the packaging, a mounting bracket and hardware, a gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. If you need an air pressure line and fittings or any additional vehicle specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.